Yo, what's up, my people? Here we got a Nissan Altima 2.5. Oh, hit the pause button by accident. But yo, what's up, my people? So here we got a Nissan Altima 2.5. This is a 2007 model. So customer complained. The customer had mentioned that they had a really loud noise coming from the engine bay area. Went ahead and lifted the car and went to see if maybe the catalytic converter had gotten stolen, but it turns out to be where we went ahead and removed the heat shield to the exhaust manifold, exhaust headers, and this is what we found. As we can see right here, it's all dark, it's all exhaust. So you see this area right here, it's pushing the exhaust this way, and it's just splashing the exhaust. Everything's coming out this way. So there's our issue right there. That is going to be a very expensive repair because the catalytic converter is right here. Right here. This is the oxygen sensor, bank one. So if you ever see this on your exhaust header, it'll be time to replace it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.